Well, how are you? This is Martin here. Hope you're doing well. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase the volume on a particular video. So this is done in a few steps. Alright, just follow me. So this is the sequence and the video, and I'm going to play you the video. So this particular video was shot in my friend's farm. Here you go. Okay, so you can hardly hear the background noise, the other things which are making noise. Okay, you can hardly hear this, right? So let's boost this up. I'm gonna drag and drop it onto the sequence, and gonna change the sequence, doesn't matter. Okay, so I will be clicking on effects, and under effects I'm gonna go to the audio effects, and under audio effects we have dynamic processing. I'm gonna click and drag it, and I'm gonna drop it on the video. Okay, and gonna go back to the editing mode, so that you can go back to the effects control. So in the effects control you can scroll down and click on edit. So you will get this dynamic graph. All right, so what you have got to do is, like, you'll have to play this video and at the same time increase the bar appropriately. Okay, I'm gonna do it now. Okay, so there's a huge difference, right? All right, so that's that easy. So that's it. You'll have to close it and export it. So hope this was helpful. See you in the next video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.